Alright, so I went a little ahead of myself on the videos. So I put this up together last night because I wanted to make sure it was easier for me today. So the smaller positive connected to one of these sides, it really doesn't matter. And then the longer positive, I'm going to have go to the battery. This is the negative, just one size. And then in order for the cover to fit, you got to push it through underneath so that the cover can close. What I did is I got a drill bit and I kind of just placed it just like this. Used a knife and made a little indent to figure out the spacing. And 10 millimeter, I just held it on, kind of pushed it with my leg, and then screwed it on and tightened it, and just made sure it was all the way down flushed. And so hopefully where these spacings are, one should be right here, and the other bolt more or less is going to be right around here. So I put it on this side of the fuse box because I didn't want I wasn't sure how far they were going to protrude, and these are a little elevated. So that's why I chose this side. I didn't want to use 3M tape only because I was afraid that it wouldn't stick and that it would fall and it would go somewhere that I didn't want it to. So that's going to be where it's going to go. The previous owner has this junk everywhere. So hopefully once I get it all cleared up, I can clean this up, shorten the wires, do whatever I have to do, cut it, splice it. This is for my sound system. It's super long, so I think I might just end up putting it on this AUXBEAM instead of directly to the battery, but we'll see. We will see how it works. So once I get this done and mounted, then I'll probably get 3M tape so that the breaker, yeah, I think I'm just gonna use 3M tape for this because it's not heavy, and I don't want to draw on the top because that's where all my fuses go unless I pick a spot that I don't need anything. So maybe right here it might fit. It might not, I don't know. Girl math here. Oh, it might not unless I do it this way. Because it can be like that. I don't see a problem with that right there. So that just might be how we do it. We'll figure it out. Alright. Didn't work out the way I wanted to, so we had to use 3M tape. But that's alright. So that's what it looks like so far. Not too bad. Gonna run the wire underneath to try and keep it tucked away as much as possible. And this will definitely have enough room for the battery. Alright. So that's what it looks like so far. Pretty good. Definitely a long. I'll probably end up using some electrical tape and just, I don't want wires curling around everywhere, so I'll probably tighten it up just to make sure it looks clean. But yeah, it's definitely on there. You can definitely tell it's much heavier. So maybe I might change that somehow. I can even probably put it up here. I don't know how I feel about that. It will be out of the way, but I'm not sure. We'll see. So then we're gonna run the wire through the firewall. Probably run it, snake it up this way to the back through there, and we're almost done with that at least. And then I have to install the lights. But as long as this is done, the lights will be easy peasy, hopefully.